Hey guys, Dalton here with another Audi Salt Lake City YouTube video. So today our focus is going to be a real quick how-to on how to adjust the height and manually set it to a certain height for your power tailgate. So it's going to be a real simple, real quick, easy video. So first what we're going to want to do is we're going to unlock the car. Of course, we want it to be unlocked. So we're going to open the back tailgate, okay? We're going to find it at that right spot. We're going to hit that lock button right there, okay? So this lock button is going to lock it into a certain height for us. To set it manually, so it always opens to that height without you having to push that lock button, you're going to want to hold the tailgate button or the open tailgate button. You're going to hold that in, and then on these lights right here, you're going to see a nice little flash, and you're going to hear 3 beeps. It's going to let you know, or a little chime, it's going to let you know, okay, it's adjusted to this height. So now, if we close it, okay, all right, now we reopen it. From now on, it's going to open up to that designated height without any trouble. Now, to reset it and to readjust it so it goes back to the factory setting all the way up top, you just manually push it up, just gently, don't force it, just push it up a little bit, and then you hold in that button one more time. And there we go, lights flash, you got the chime, that means it's reset to factory mode, so no matter what, when you open it up, it's going to open up to the top. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.